Constipation is a common digestive issue that can cause significant stress on the body. It is characterized by infrequent bowel movements, typically fewer than 3 a week, and the passage of hard, dry stool. Various factors contribute to constipation, including poor diet, lack of physical activity, dehydration, certain medications, and underlying medical conditions. To understand how constipation stresses the digestive system, it's essential to examine the process of digestion. Digestion involves breaking down the food we eat into nutrients the body can absorb. It begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva to form a bolus. The bolus travels down the esophagus to the stomach, where it's mixed with gastric juices and turned into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Chyme then moves into the small intestine, where most of the nutrients are absorbed. Finally, the remaining waste reaches the large intestine, where water is absorbed, and the stool is formed and eventually excreted. When this process is disrupted, particularly in the large intestine, constipation can result. Inadequate water intake leads to drier and harder stools, making them difficult to pass. Additionally, a low-fiber diet can slow down the movement of stools through the digestive tract. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps it retain water, easing its passage. Lack of physical activity also contributes to constipation. Regular exercise stimulates muscle activity in the intestines, promoting movement. Stress and mental health issues can also play a role. The gut-brain axis links our mental state to our digestive functioning, meaning stress can exacerbate or even trigger symptoms of constipation. Other factors include ignoring the urge to have a bowel movement, which can weaken the signals over time, and certain medications like opioids and some antidepressants, which can slow intestinal muscles. Addressing constipation involves lifestyle and dietary changes, such as increasing fiber intake, drinking plenty of water, and exercising regularly. Sometimes over-the-counter laxatives may be necessary, but they should be used sparingly and under medical advice. In more severe or chronic cases, it's important to consult a healthcare provider to rule out any serious underlying conditions. In summary, constipation significantly stresses the digestive system by disrupting the normal movement of waste through the intestines. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with adequate hydration, fiber, and exercise is key to preventing and managing this condition.